Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Smile, and today we're going to unravel the mystery of full mouth reconstruction costs with implants. Come on, open wide, let's go. First crucial point, the quality of the implants. The quality of dental implants is a fundamental aspect to consider when considering such a procedure. It's not just about the look or the immediate feel, but about the durability and long-term performance. A high-quality implant is designed to integrate perfectly with the jawbone, providing optimal stability and functionality. On the other hand, a lower quality implant can lead to complications, infections, and even implant failures. That's why it's essential to understand the differences between the options available on the market. You know, investing in implants is a bit like choosing a good wine. Just like a wine connoisseur takes the time to select a quality bottle, a good dentist will take the time to choose the best implants for their patients. It's not just about the brand, but also the materials used, the manufacturing technology, and the clinical studies that support their effectiveness. A superior quality implant is often made from pure titanium, a biocompatible material that promotes osseointegration, which is the fusion of the implant with the jawbone. This fusion is crucial for the stability and longevity of the implant. The cheap options? Maybe not the best idea, especially if you want to avoid problems in the long run. Low-cost dental implants may seem appealing at first glance, but they often come with hidden risks. For example, they can be made from lower quality materials, which can lead to allergic reactions or rejection by the body. Additionally, cheap implants may not benefit from the same levels of quality control and rigorous testing as high-quality implants. This can result in inaccurate adjustments, implant fractures, or post-operative infections. Ultimately, short-term savings can turn into much higher costs in the long run due to the corrective treatments required. Cheaper brands often mean less follow-up, less warranty. Another crucial aspect to consider is the after-sales service and warranty offered by the implant manufacturer. Reputable brands generally offer extended warranties and technical support for their products. This means that if a problem occurs, the patient can benefit from a replacement or repair at no additional cost. On the other hand, cheap implants are often sold without a warranty or with limited warranties, leaving the patient with no recourse in case of problems. Additionally, dentists who use high-quality implants are often better trained and more experienced, which increases the chances of success of the procedure. A bit like a corked wine, it leaves a bad memory. Imagine the disappointment of a patient who discovers that their implant, supposed to last for years, starts to show signs of failure after only a few months. This situation is comparable to that of a wine lover who opens a precious bottle to discover that it is corked. The bitter taste of disappointment is the same. That's why it's crucial not to compromise on quality when it comes to dental health. Investing in high-quality implants means investing in your long-term well-being, ensuring that your smile remains bright and functional for years to come. Next, let's talk about prostheses. If they need to be changed, can spare parts be found easily?
Imagine you're on vacation in Thailand and bam, prosthesis problem. Can your local dentist intervene quickly, or will you have to smile with your eyes until you get back?
And the final prosthesis? How do we choose it?
Do you go for the entry level or the high end?
Remember, the cheapest can be expensive. For your smile.
And who's going to operate on you?
An expert with years of practice or a novice who just got their diploma.
Quality comes at a price, my friends. To establish an accurate quote, what's better than a physical exam?
If that's not possible, a remote examination, a panoramic X-ray, and a few photos of your mouth from all angles will do.
Beware of quotes without an exam. It's often a trap. So before embarking on the implant adventure, think about all these elements. Choose well, don't play with your health, and keep smiling. Thank you for following me, and see you next time for more informed advice. For more information, don't forget to consult your dentist and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. See you soon.